Well, that's it. I'm out of here. It has been fun. And if you think I'm giving up video, VFX, or YouTube, you are wrong. I'm just moving. Yes, it's true, I am moving. I'm getting out of the hood that I'm living in right now that has literally 15 airplanes fly over me while I film one music video. Super frustrating, super annoying. But yes, my wife and I are now homeowners, and it has been an experience to say the least. We have been looking for a home for a year and a half, since before March 2020 when, you know, poop hit the fan. Since we originally started looking, the home prices here in Reno Sparks and across the country of the United States, the home prices are just soaring. And it has been very frustrating watching these prices run away from our budget, and what we can get into becomes less and less and less and less. And there's a few reasons that has been happening. Some of them, low interest rates, so people want to buy a house and lock down a low interest rate. The mass exodus from California, people sell their $1.5 million home in California and then they could buy 3 here easy in cash and beat out any competing offers, and they're like, oh, I love Reno because it's so close to Lake Tahoe. And also Reno has not been building enough homes to keep up with the demand with the amount of people that are moving here, so there's a constant shortage, and there's been a shortage on wood and workers and all that stuff. So it's all just like this perfect storm that has made our lives extremely hard. For example, the first house that we looked at that we contemplated putting an offer in on was like a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1350 square foot home, like a really nice starter house. You know, like in hindsight, I don't really want to be there, but for the price, it was like, I think 320. But that same house now is probably 420 in a matter of a year and a half. So it's just insane what's happened, but I'm glad that things finally worked out and we're getting a home. So by the time you watch this video, I should be getting settled into my new office and our new home, and you can definitely expect a home tour video in the future. So I just wanted to update you guys on my life and what's going on, and take some time to just say thank you for supporting and thank you for subscribing. You all rock, and I'll see you in the next one.